Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried egg curry, full guide. Start by frying eggs until golden and set them aside while you build a fragrant masala. Sauté onions, garlic, and ginger, then add tomatoes and spices and cook until oil separates. Gently nestle eggs into the curry, simmer briefly, and finish with fresh herbs. I'll share timing tips and simple swaps so your curry is balanced, saucy, and satisfying. To fry eggs that hold up in curry, heat a skillet on medium and add oil to coat. Crack each egg into a small bowl before sliding it gently into the pan so whites stay intact. Fry until whites are set but yolks remain slightly soft, about 2 to 3 minutes per side, then drain on paper towel. These firmer edges help the eggs absorb curry flavors without falling apart during simmering. If you're enjoying this guide, please hit subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. I spotted a great read, Dollar Banknote, The Simple Path to Wealth, that pairs well with thinking about smart food budgeting and long-term planning. I find it uplifting and practical, and it might change how you view spending on food and home cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Build a flavorful curry by cooking onions until golden. Then add garlic, ginger, and a blend of ground spices like cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Add chopped or pureed tomatoes and simmer until the oil separates, indicating a well-cooked masala. Lower the heat, nestle fried eggs into the sauce, and gently spoon the curry over them. Simmer 5 to 7 minutes so eggs soak up flavor but remain tender, finishing with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.